back, everyone. Are you ready for an evening of bedazzlement and haute couture? The beautiful fashion designer Aisha Ramadan teamed up with the French jewelry designer Victoria Castle to bring you just that. A glamorous, unique, one-of-a-kind show that was deemed the fashion show of the year. The Love Affair event was held at the Ice Rink of Dubai Mall. An enchanting evening of fashion presented by Aisha Ramadan and jewelry designed by Victoria Castle. A perfect combination of delicate aesthetics, which left everyone mesmerized and wanting more. The beautiful Aisha Ramadan has been picked as one of the 30 most awesome Arabian women and is in the same league as the Queen Rania of Jordan. Victoria Castle brought her own uniqueness to the ramp as she incorporated her trademark Hello Kitty range and an eclectic mix of rings, earrings, bracelets and pendants. Her designs have been worn by the likes of Cindy Crawford, Penelope Cruz and Victoria Beckham. We met with the two dynamic artists who made this evening happen, Aisha Ramadan and Victoria Castle.
First of all, it was a pleasure to be in Dubai tonight to launch this event with Aisha. It was a really big pleasure.
I met Victoria a few months ago and it was truly love at first sight. She loved my spontaneous personality, my fashion design. I fell absolutely in love with her bold and strong jewelry because I am always up to people who send strong messages.
There are two collections you can see on the show, and I hope that, you know, I come with my Parisian looking and spirits, so I hope that the people of Dubai, especially the women, like my new message and come to visit me.
Well, it was absolutely my first couture collection. That's and it was Victoria's also first high-end jewelry collection, so truly it was a match made in heaven. The colors, as you might have noticed, a lot of romance in it. And then we switch a little to the sexy, bold colors because I wanted to appeal to every woman out there in my own style and on my own way. Regarding the cuts, it was really romantic and flowy at the same time, lots of shapes because my previous collections were quite loose. This time I wanted to go lots of corsets, lots of fitted items. It was really a pleasure for me to work in couture.
With its dainty pink color theme, the event was like a visual indulgence. Moving on to our next glam stop for the evening, a place of shimmering lights and festive delights. I'm referring to the premier store Saks Fifth Avenue, who collaborated with Crystallized Swarovski Elements to create a magical winter wonderland right here in Dubai. Every year, Saks Fifth Avenue creates unique and innovative festive windows. And this year will be no different. Saks partnered with Crystallized Swarovski Elements to design a dazzling ambience in their store at Berjuman Mall. This event brought the store to life with music, dance and whole lot of crystals. But what people appreciated the most was the fact that Saks stayed true to the spirit of Christmas. They teamed up with a non-profit initiative called START, pledging a part of their sales to the underprivileged children there. The spirit of giving and loving is what Christmas is all about, after all.
We are very proud on this collaboration with Saks Fifth Avenue, and you see everywhere, you see pieces created by international celebrity designers together with our crystallized Swarovski elements, and we are very proud on that.
My name is Carla Daboul. I am the marketing manager for Saks Fifth Avenue, and we've just opened up our store and launched it under the holiday season. We've had this collaboration with Swarovski, with transforming the whole store, making it into Winter Wonderland, and actually making show-stopping windows. And this is a tradition that Saks Fifth Avenue has had with its iconic status in New York. This is something that we should actually raise the bar and start off in the Middle East, and hopefully, you know, we create some kind of excitement, as I'm sure we all feel that excitement towards the end of the year.
And now is that time in our show where we bring out a viewer's query addressed to our lifestyle guru. This week, the men get to have a chance. Mr. Aslam Khan from Abu Dhabi has written in saying that he really likes to work hard and party hard too. He's tall, thin, single and ready to mingle. He wants to dress well and hence is inquiring about the latest trends in dressing for a metrosexual man. Wow, interesting question, isn't it? And we've got Deepesh Dipala, the fashion expert, for you here to answer your query.
Well, Aslam, first of all, let me begin by saying that I'm not a huge fan of the term metrosexual because I believe it doesn't really mean anything. But what it does imply is someone who likes to look after themselves, who's well-groomed, who manages their hands and their nails, and someone who takes care of themselves generally. So your shape and size really does not have anything to do with being metrosexual. If you want to impress girls, then I would suggest that you be confident and be smart and clean. But if you want to suggest for me as to what to wear, then I don't think you can ever go wrong with well-fitting jeans, a smart, crisp fitted shirt and a great pair of shoes. Any woman's bound to fall for that.
Wow, that was cool. Thank you, Deepesh. And that advice will surely help Aslam and a whole lot of young guys too. Time to take a short break. Come right back for some Christmas cheers. Coming up, a look at the Garden Centre and also how Christmas is celebrated around the world. So stay tuned.
Hi, this is Selena Jetli and here's wishing all you viewers a Merry Christmas.